Hello guys and welcome. I'm the CPP Dev and on this channel you should find C++ programming related videos, only that until now you will mostly not. I've looked at my channel and thought, wait, I should provide C++ programming videos, but most of them are related to DevOps topics. That's why I decided to start a new series. What I'm thinking is that I will add short to medium length videos in which I'm going to explain some of the STL containers. I will provide information about stuff like vector, list, map, queue, dequeue and other such containers. The video should cover topics like how the container is working in the background, with the memory allocations and all, what are good practices when using them and where is indicated to actually use them. I will also provide visual details and examples for each one. However, I'll greatly appreciate if you were to provide feedback in the comments below related to this topic. What do you think? Would this be helpful for you? Would you watch this series? I'm waiting for a response in the comments below. Anyway, this is just a short announcer video, so I'm not going to keep you that much. In the meantime, if you want to get started with the C++ programming, I will just recommend the book to you that I find it's very useful for beginners. The book is called C++, The Complete Reference, the 4th edition, and if you decide to buy it, you can find the link down below in the description for it. This is just my affiliate link on Amazon, and if you will buy it from here, this will help me very much and it will not inconvenience you with anything. It's just as if you would normally buy the book, but you are telling Amazon that I am the one that told you about it. The book is structured in two parts. The first part is related to C programming and the second to C++ programming. Since C++ is basically an extension to the C language, reading the first part about C will help you in understanding the C++ better. However, that is not a requirement and you can as well just start directly with the C++ part and I guarantee that it will make sense. So, if you want to get started in the C++ programming world, go to the link provided down below in the description and buy the book right now. You don't want to delay the start anymore. That's it for this one, since it's just a short announcement video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to press the like button for the YouTube algorithm, it will help me very much. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos related to C++ programming in general. CPP Dev, over and out.